Okay, guys, so it's like raining a lot outside, and you're about to see how bad it is. Hear that? Have you ever seen rain like that? Pretty sure you have. Because if you have, oh snap, it's gonna be loud. But look at how that rain drops. Look at the rain. Look at the rain. Oh, look at that. Yep, I saw that. But you didn't catch it on video. But okay, you heard that? Heard that? That was a sound of lightning or thunder. I don't really know. I haven't been inside for a long time now. Can you guys see that? Okay. Not some popcorn. Here you go. Popcorn to the viewers. I don't know what you guys, what do you want me to call you? Please put it down in the comments down below, like cats or something. And yeah, here's some popcorn. There. Okay, let's go to the rainbow. Just kidding, there's no rainbows. Oh wow, I just opened the door and then I should make more videos about weather. Are you guys hearing this? It's loud. Like, I just saw a bit of lightning and just tried to go outside. Never mind, my tablet. Whoa, I saw lightning. Never mind. It's probably gonna be off this video. Like, subscribe, and look at my fishy. Wait, where's the fishy? Well, there you are. Hello. Hello, little fishy. Are you scared of rain? Yes, help me. Oh, by the way, can you give me some food? Okay, dude. Oh, I'll be back when his food is given. Okay, his food was given. And look at him eating all his little foods. Yeah, it's probably all gonna be it for this video. So much subscribe, like, and in comments say mean comments about the rain and why you hate it. Goodbye.